We broke as many as 4 world records today. That means this is an event which everybody is going to remember for a long time. International Business Week, which is going to take place next year, was also showcased. In fact, there is nothing that was not shown here or deliberated here, or which we ourselves discussed about, which matters today in a global scenario. We know how our great country has changed to a great extent under the leadership of Sri Narendra Modi ji, as far as our growing economy is concerned, as far as being on the march towards being the third largest economy. It is in no sector are we left behind. And it is more than satisfying, especially for me, that in this tiny, lovely state of Goa, so many things are made to happen. Amazing Goa has done all this. I would like to congratulate the entire team of Vibrant Goa, of all those who put for making this particular global summit a big success.